Introducing the SmartMicroScope online viewer for Chromebooks, PCs, and Macs. The Google Chrome browser and go to smartmicroscopeviewer.com. Enter your username and password and click OK. The first time you log in, you will need to allow use of your camera and set it as your Smart Microscope. Click Camera Settings icon and make sure that Allow is selected and click Manage. Select the camera drop-down and choose USB camera. Go back to the first tab and refresh the page. You now see the live image from the Smart Microscope. You can take pictures and record videos. Notice the timer begins when the video starts and turns off when the recording stops. Images and videos can be viewed in the gallery. You can view or save the gallery items. There are 3 save options. We will choose Google Drive. This will save the images and videos directly to your Google Drive. The assessment tool allows the teacher to quickly create a quiz to determine if students have learned the concepts. Simply click and drag to an area on the image, and an arrow and numbered box are drawn. The image with drawings can be saved for later use, such as formal assessments, or for students who may not have been in class that day. Another popular feature is the option to draw a circle to point out specific areas of the image.